In this video, we will show you the new updates from Snipping Tool and Microsoft Paint on Windows 11. In here, the Snipping Tool on the newest update now can detect QR code and can adding emojis. While in the Microsoft Paint, there are any change for the name as before co-creator become image creator. In here, let's see the new updates. When you open Snipping Tool, and in here, let's see the new features and update. When we're working with the Snipping Tool, to take a screenshot look like this. Now, the Snipping Tool can detect QR code. How to do that? You can click the text actions. Now, the Snipping Tool can directly open the link without you don't need to scan this page manually or to scan this QR code manually. You can see here, you can just click directly the QR code and click yes. Okay, then the QR code can detect as link, and to do that, once again, you need to click text actions. The number second, you can adding emoji on the shapes. You can see when you clicking the shapes, there are emoji buttons. Now you can add the emoji, for example, look like this. Okay, you can add emoji you want to improve your screenshot. And also, Microsoft has changed how shapes can work. If you adding some shapes look like this, now there are fill and outline menu in here that you can change the transparency. For example, for the outline, you can see there, and also the fill. This is how the improvement and change on the Snipping Tool. Now let's see on the Microsoft Paint. When you open Paint, the older name for the co-creator now became image creator, but the function same as before. You can creating the image with the AI. Okay, make image dragon on the sky, for example, look like this. The function of this image creator is like the co-creator as before, so there is no improvement, just the change of the name. And like this image that you can generate with co-creator and now become image creator. And that's all the change and improvement on Windows 11 on the Snipping Tool and the Microsoft Paint. Hope this video helpful for you.